Hello everybody and welcome to the series of quick report generation using Excel. Here in this video I am going to show you that how we can generate the subject based Mount Etna report. So here is my sample report card and this is a sample Excel sheet. You need to enter your information in this Excel sheet in order to generate this report card. So here as you can see there is a school or institute logo, the school name and the address, and here is report title. So you need to enter this information over here as a report header 1, 2 and 3, and here is a logo. Now you need to enter the grade boundary in this page so that it will print as an assessment key over here. This theme is a Persian blue theme, but if you should change the theme then you should copy and paste one of these themes to the theme cell. Now let's move to student details. In the student details you can see there is a subject name, center number, student name, class name, GR number, roll number and the date. So enter this information here as a student name, class name, division, GR number, roll number, date, subject name and the center number. Here I have 5 students, but you can have any number of students, and make sure you copy the student name and roll number to the next sheets. Now let's move to the results. In the subject results, I have 6 exam types, but you can have any number of exam types like 2, 3, 6, 7, anything. And here is the total marks of the exam, obtained marks, percentage and overall grade. So enter the exam type name over here, and for each exam type you should have 3 columns. One is for obtained marks, one is for total marks and one is for percentage. So suppose if you have 2 exam types then you should have 6 columns, and if you have 7 exam types then you should have 21 columns. You can add or remove columns based on your exam types. Now here is a percentage we have entered and the overall grade. So below that there is a graph or the result analysis generated using this data. Now let's move further to the overall effort key. Enter the overall effort key like consistently, sometimes and rarely using this page, and it will print over here. Now the class teacher's comment. You need to enter the class teacher's comment in front of the student and make sure you have copied and pasted the roll number and student from the student details page. So enter the comment in front of the student and it will print over here in the class teacher comments. Now the digital signature. Here you can see there are 2 digital signatures and their signature holder name and the designation, but you can have 3 signatures as well, and you need to copy and paste or upload your digital signature or the faculty signature in this cell, and even you can change the name of this signature holder and change the designation. So go to EduCloud to generate this report card, and for further information or any queries feel free to contact us at support@educloud.in.